Welcome to our facility here at COPL, Central Optic Photonic and Laser, regarding the fabrication preform. This is our standard system, MCVD, modified chemical vapor deposition, in the way to allow us to produce different design of preform. I have here some example to show you from our standard tool. We have deposition of the material, of course. This is what we call the set preform. One time these the sots are prepared, then we go to collapse process in the way to produce this large preform. Depending on the size of reduction of fiber that we are looking for, we have been able to produce 1 meter of preform. And here we show you the different design of preform that we have been able to produce here at COPL. This is one example of a quadratic core. This is have been developed first. We develop the core, then we're polishing, then after that we collapse in the way to produce such design. The second design, this is another specific design which include different etching core around what we have here. We have around 1, 2, 3, almost 8 core. Another design, what we call Panda preform. This is another specific design. It's regarding for the production of what we call the fiber for solar energy transport. This is another design, specific design for the production what we call the elliptic core. And lastly, and I will not touch this preform because it's based in arsenic sulfide and mostly for the production of chalcogenide fiber. As you can see, we have a diversity of different design of preform that allows us the production of different kind of fiber, not only dedicated for telecommunication system, but also ranging for environment, health, or another sensing application. If you follow me, then we can. This is the system where we produce our preform. As you can see, we have here, we put our tube, and from that we start rotation, and using the torch we start to produce our preforms. If you follow me now, this is for the passive fiber. If we have been looking to produce what we said active fiber, then we need what we said to introduce all this rare earth material using another process. Please, if you can follow me here, in the way to show you. We include our solution here in a system, and then by moving our preform during almost 4 hours, we introduce the amount request for erbium or any other rare earth element in the way to produce fiber amplifier or fiber lasers or another isolator fibers. And this is the step, the standard step that allow us. As you can see, we have a control to water system, and all our processes were controlled for mostly for the cleaning, and all the processes are request for production of such specific preforms. Now, one time we finish all this process, then we go to the drawing process. And now I will show you the infrastructure what we have here in COPL in the produce that able to produce different kind of fiber that we have been producing in the last 10 years. As you can see, we have here 2 systems for drawing tower. The first one is made home, is dedicated mostly for what we call special fiber or special glass, including chalcogenide, fluoride, phosphate, tellurate, or any other heavy oxide glasses. The most important thing that you can see here, as I can show you, we have different kind of furnace. Just by shifting the furnace, we can introduce the preform and we produce the fiber. This is drawing tower, it's about 6 meters, and that allow us to produce fiber with one coating polymer. Now, if we shift the second one it's a furnace going to higher temperature, above 2000 degrees C. Then we have here a control diameters, the first polymer coating and the second polymer coating. And mostly of that, we are not limited to what we call the acrylate polymer, but also we can include other kind of polymer, Teflon or aluminum or any other. And most recently we did what we call polyamide. And in this case we use what we call a thermal curing during this process of producing such fiber. This is give you a large, just an example of which kind of fiber we can produce. Any kind of fiber or any kind of design request from company or our partner at the university here in Canada or at the world, around the world, we have been able to produce such kind of fiber. We will be happy to get you here at COPL in the way to show you all our facility and to share with you our knowledge. And thank you very much.